Summer just got a whole lot tastier. If you're tired of boring salads and want something that actually excites your taste buds, you are in the right place. Today, we're making the most refreshing, juicy, sweet, and tangy pineapple cucumber salad. And trust me, once you try this, it's going on repeat all summer long. Just stay with me because this one's a game changer. Okay, let's dive into the ingredients. I'm going to show you the ingredients in the process, but please feel free to check out the description for the ingredients and their exact measurements. Okay, I'll start by slicing off my onions. Mind you, these onions have already been prepped and nicely washed. So I'll slice them into these nice thin slices. And to reduce the sharpness, I'll go ahead and put them in a nice clean bowl. Add some cold water to it and let it sit for another 5 minutes. Next is my lime. Wash my lime until it's nice and clean. Cut it into half, squeeze out the lime juice from it and set it aside. Next, my mint leaves. Wash them until they're nice and clean. Cut off the upper ends that look like beautiful flowers and set them aside for that garnish at the end. Then nicely chop the remaining leaves and set them aside too. Next, my cucumbers. For this recipe, I'm going to be using the seedless cucumber. Wash your cucumbers until they're nice and clean, and then you can either cut them into like thin, fine slices or you dice them. I choose to dice them in this recipe so they can match the pineapple slices that I will use later. And then I put them in a nice clean bowl and set them aside. And next, we have the pineapples. Before slicing your pineapples, please make sure you wash them nice and clean because pineapples always carry some insects and germs on them, right? And you don't want to use them like that. Wash your pineapples nice and clean. Peel off the outer part of the pineapple until you're left with the nice inner juicy core. Then go ahead and dice your pineapple into small cubes. And if you're new to the space, my name is Rabia and welcome to Rabia Unfolded, a channel where we create cozy, simple recipes that you can easily recreate at your home without any stress. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and measure my pineapple cubes and add them in a nice clean bowl. And just like the pineapple cubes, I'll measure my diced cucumbers and add them in the same bowl. I'll strain out the water from my onions and add them in the bowl too. Add in my chopped mint leaves. Drizzle in my lime juice. A pinch of salt to taste. A pinch of ground black pepper. Drizzle in some extra virgin olive oil. And then I'll toast everything until it's nice and fully combined. Or if your fruits and vegetables are really nice and hard like mine are, feel free to use a spoon to like mix everything together nicely. For my optional ingredients, I'm gonna be using some honey and some Rabia Unfolded chili flakes. But I'll be adding those in a separate bowl just myself, right? Because they're optional. You can go ahead and eat it right away or you can serve it chilled. Actually, I love eating mine chilled. So if you want to chill it, go ahead and chill your salad for another 20 to 30 minutes before you serve it. And just like that, beautiful souls, something so simple becomes something so special. That's the magic of cooking. It doesn't have to be complicated to be absolutely amazing. And I hope this salad brings a little sunshine to your day. Give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. Subscribe for more cozy and easy recipes that you can easily recreate at your home without any stress. And I will see you in the next episode of Rabia Unfolded. Cheers.